Hello friends, today we will try to solve problem on protein peptide purification. And here is the problem. At the pH of 7, in what order would be the following 3 peptides that is given be eluted from a column that is filled with cation exchange polymer, and their amino acid sequence composition are given. So here is the 3 protein A, B and C, and total amino acid composition of protein A, protein B as well as protein C is given, and based on that we have to answer that which protein sequence eluted first and which protein sequence eluted last. This is simple one. So before starting the solution, just mesmerize the concept of ion exchange column chromatography. So in that we have used anion and cation exchangers. If anion exchangers are used, that means anions elute first, and if cation exchangers are used, cations elute first. How it is happen that suppose anion exchanger is used, that anion is negatively charged, right? So whatever the anions negatively charged amino acids present in a polypeptide chain, that will eluted first because there is repulsion between anion and anion, and positively charged amino acid will be interact with these anions present on exchanger, and that's why there are chances that anion elute first, and then after less negative charged elute, and then after at last positively charged amino acid will be elute. And same concept is applied on cation exchangers. Now second thing we have to mesmerize is positively and negatively charged amino acids. We all know that lysine, histidine and arginine are positively charged amino acids, and aspartate and glutamate are negatively charged amino acids. So just apply these two concepts on this problem. Now they already told that in this problem cation exchange column is used. So we have to count positively charged amino acid compositions in these different 3 proteins. So in protein A, positively charged amino acids are histidine, arginine and lysine. So in this composition, arginine is present 10%, histidine is of 5% and lysine is of 10%. So total, if we get total amount, that is total 25% positively charged amino acids are present in composition of protein A. Similarly, in protein B, arginine is present of 5%, histidine is I think not present, but lysine is present 5%. So total 10% positively charged amino acids are present. So in protein C, we can see that only as a positively charged amino acid histidine, here is the histidine is present of 5%. So total amount of positively charged amino acids are only 5%. So if we count, if we compare this amount of positively charged amino acids in these 3 different proteins, that it indicates that protein A contain total 25% of positively charged amino acids, protein B contain 10%, as well as protein C contain 5%. That means if protein A first try to elute in cation exchange column, it will interact, it take time more because of the higher amount of positively charged amino acids, that means present, that will interact more with cation columns rather than protein B and protein C. Protein B take less time comparatively than protein A, and protein C again take very less time than protein B and protein A while eluting a cation exchange column. So this is very easy concept, and it says that if we comparatively say that yes, Definitely protein C takes a lesser time than protein B and protein A. So order of protein is C comes first, B comes second, and A comes third. That means eluted last, because it takes more and more time while interacting with cation exchange. So if you like my videos, and if my videos are helpful in your studies, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.